Hey everybody, I just want to say thank you for watching this, and if you liked it, if you don't, I really don't mind. I do appreciate those who did like. If you can leave a comment below. This is my first time still, again, using heat press machine. If you know anything that I don't know, please leave some comments below. Email me, I don't mind. Also, I want to thank PlanetFlame for the machine. Real good machine so far. Hope I can do a lot of good stuff with it, as well as, thank Bulk Appeal. If you're trying to get mass amount of shirts and, trying to do something like a heat press, go to them. I would recommend them just because they will do shirts at $169, $69. They do shirts at $269, all kinds of prices, real low prices, real good quality shirts. So, hey, I just want to thank everybody who basically helped me participate in this, helped me get my foot through the door and trying to, start make shirts. So thank you very much. Right now it seems to be working very good. I got it warming up right now. Yeah, I guess right now, so like I guess when you push this first one, first P, it's gonna be degrees. So I want to set it at least, because I've seen some people doing a little bit less heat. So I'm gonna do 330. Next, it's gonna ask for seconds. So this is gonna be time. I've seen people do, even online, and like professional people do at least like 20 seconds. I want to do it in Fahrenheit too. What is 4, man? So yeah, it's gonna rise up to, 330, I believe I said it. So let's test these out. I also did get white shirts in. A bunch of white shirts
from Rich. Got extra large, medium, large, extra large, and 2X. So don't worry, everybody. There's gonna be shirts coming for everybody.
Loki, Lola. My trusty dogs, got my trusty dogs with me, heat pressing. They love being around Dad. Now that I got my vinyls cut, thanks to Lulu. Thank you very much, girl. Got my white shirts, got my vinyls. I'm gonna start getting everything ready. Let's get the shit ready. Come on. Okay, now, so I'm gonna get one of my cuttings. Very slowly. So I don't accidentally rip off the other one. Roll that home. Sorry for the glare in the back. That's the vinyl cutout. So let's do this shit.
Okay. Feel straight?
Looks straight. Hopefully it is straight. Yeah, it looks straight. Hopefully it is straight. So again, this is my first time. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, and don't forget. Oh, that's not parchment paper. Don't forget some parchment paper or some kind of Teflon paper or something that's gonna, I guess, kind of, protect the vinyl as well as protect your machine from getting that sticker shit on there, you know what I mean? You don't want to get no plasticky shit melted on there, so yeah.
I'm gonna overextend it just in case.
Let me do 15. I don't want to overdo it because you still want a good amount to it, so wish me luck, guys.
Sounds good, guys.
Okay. Of course, that's your alarm, so... Shit, I had that in the way the whole time. My dumbass. Don't worry, there's still more to come, so... Get this paper off. And voila, guys. Came out pretty good. Let you guys check it out. Watch, let me place it down right here so you guys can check it out.
It's been many days getting high, drinking every night. Can't keep my pennies saved, been slipping time till death comes out of place. And she's lovely, hooray! She's only coming once, make sure that she's here to stay. I'm a slave to the bass, a lyrical mental case. Birthed from Mother Goose, hip-hop Darwinism. I'm that missing link in this game, hooray! Alpha Primate, it's the rise of the apes. Broke-ass Mexican boy, with knocking verses like Floyd. I'm the leader of the Marvels, James McAvoy. I'm that lighter shade of brown, hooray! Tu pinche culeros como Trump, just stay out of my way. Smoking like a brick corpse, and lately I've been unwanted like a baby in a board. But I'm meant for more, it's my time to make my name, hooray! Serious, the modern marvel, let me hear you say hooray! Not the smartest artist, but I feel like an arsonist. Connected like car, that's when I'm spitting bars. I wanna hear how they march, hooray! For this new age to rap, let me hear you say hip-hop, hooray! On my way up, Jose, there's dominoes to go retarded on the beat, it's in my chromosomes. I'm always getting down like a syndrome. Yo, this is just the start of something bright. Like a star, yes, I'm ready to shine. Inspired by the best of the light. How we ride, so I'm with a Boston. Always on point like a marksman. Plus it felt like I was gossip. All it is your mental process to go hooray. I'll leave you all amazed. Picking up the style shit, I think it's over me. Working off the minimum shit, I need a raise. Mama proud of the boy that she raised. Hooray! I don't even wanna win, let alone wanna make it run. I just wanna smoke all day, drink brews, I don't give two fucks. I've been on my grammar style, now evolved to that dirty muck. Make my way over the bullshit, I just wanna hear him Team hip hop, hooray! Hip hop, hooray! Yo, west, let me see you bob your head. North, let me see you raise your hands. South, let me see you move your feet. East, let me see you bust the beat. West, let me see you bob your head. North, let me see you raise your hands. South, let me see you move your feet. East, let me see you bust the beat. West, bob your head. North, raise your hands. South, move your feet. East, bust the beat. West, bob your head. North, raise your hands. South, move your feet. East, bust the beat. It's been many days getting high, drinking every night. Can't keep my pennies, so been flipping out of place. And she's lovely, hooray! She's only coming once, make sure that she's here to stay. I'm a slave to the face, a lyrical mental case. Birth from Mother Goose, hip hop star with me some. I'm that missing link in this game, hooray! Alpha primate, it's the rise of the age. That Mexican boy with knocking verses like Floyd. I'm the leader of the Marvels, James McAvoy. I'm that lighter shade of brown, hooray! Tu pinche culeros como Trump, just stay out of my way. Smoking like a corpse, and lately I've been unwanted like a carnivore. But I'm meant for more. It's my time to make my name, hooray! Serious, the modern Marvel, let me hear you say hooray!
Serious, and it feels real good too. Like, feels like it's on there. Feels like I had a lot of good pressure on there, so it's like smooth with it. Man, it feels pretty damn good. I like this. I like this for being my first time machine. This actually came out good. Now let's actually see if it's straight. That's the question. Straight and centered. I don't think so, guys. But trial and error. Trial and error. Yeah. Serious shirts on the way, guys. Woo! Thank you very much. I want to do another video too, because my dumbass left the parchment paper and the other one, so yeah, dum. So